Hello and good day to you. You're once again welcome to MS Constructions, where we discuss all things engineering and architecture. Today, we will be learning how to add a wall load on your cantilever slab in Protastructure, and that will be the manual wall load. Before further ado, to get more content like this, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. You may also interact with us by leaving a comment in the comment section so that we can know what you think and what we can do to serve you better. Thank you. So let's get right into the video. We've been working on this model for a while, and today what we want to do is we want to add wall loads on these cantilevers that will act as rail guards. And in order to do that, we want our rail guards to be a different material other than blocks or concrete. If we go to our 3D, you see that this is what we currently have. We want our rail guards to be somewhere around here. And there will also be additional loads on the slab as they act as additional loads on the slab, but in this case they won't be beam wall loads. They will rather be slab loads because they are acting directly on the cantilever slab. Now let's get on with it. In order to get on with it, what you need to do first is to go to your loading. Then you go to your partition loading, and because we don't have glass in our partition loading, as you can see, we don't have glass on this list, and no material on this list has the properties of glass. So we need to create it. We can go somewhere here and add new load. As you can see, we can name it glass. Once you have named it, you have to go and set the properties of the material by adding it. However, when you go here to select materials, you see that we don't have any material on the list called glass. You only have all these other materials, but you can create glass as a material and add it to the list. In order to create new material, what you need to do is you need to go here, go to the edit materials, then you add the material. So let's name this material glass rail. Once you added glass rail, you need to also input the value of the unit weight. And for the unit weight, we can use like 25 kilonewtons per meter cube for the unit weight of the glass. And then we press OK. You can now go here to select the material, and you can now see this material has been assigned to your glass. However, you still need to input more properties to make the material fit into your design. In order to do that, you need to input the value of your thickness. So I want the thickness of my glass to be 25 mm, depending on the specifications that you have for your design. So it automatically calculated the load value to be 0.625 kilonewton per meter square, and we have that, so press OK. Now, when you want to create your load on this cantilever slab, you need to go to your point, line, and area loads. You need to go to your point, line, and area loads. In order to create manual loads on your slab, click on it, then go to your line loads, because what we want to create acts more like a line load. Go to this menu, look for the material that you recently created, which is glass, and select it. This menu indicates the height of the wall on the cantilever. Once you have your wall height set and your material selected as glass, then you can update. Then you can go on ahead to draw your glass on your cantilever slab. And after you've drawn it, you see that what was drawn is labeled glass alongside the value of the dead load. Now you can draw for this as well. You can go ahead to close this. You can once again examine your model to ensure that all loads on your cantilever slabs are labeled glass. Then you can go to your 3D to go and see what you've done. You see, we have this right here. We have this right here. This is all for today on how to create wall loads on your cantilever slab in Protastructure. We hope that you found our tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this in order to encourage us to make more video tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and bye for now.